ते किती राहिले मोबाईलाचं किती घरात बोलला त्यांना देर शुभ्रा भी आ गई
I'm just shooting at her. Thank you.
पास
की देंगे
चलते आ रहे हैं मैं वेट कर रही हूँ
Captain, good morning. Good morning. To vote Galpagel, you have casted your vote. Definitely know it is for the Congress. What is your message to the other voters, and especially a few people who are not willing to come out during elections?
See, voting right म्हणजे आमच्या संविधानान एक आमकां हक दिला की जसो सरकार तुमकां जाय जशे तुमचे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह जाय ते तुमच्यान वायजली चिंतून आमकां कोण बरो रिप्रेझेंटेशन करतलो आमचे जे इश्यूज आसा ते कोण व्हरतलो कोण आवाज उखलतलो हो एक चान्स आमच्या संविधानान आमकां दिला आनी म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी भायर येवन वोट करपाक जाय कित्याक घरानूच बसन सरकाराक क्रिटिसायज केल्लें सारकें न्ही जेन्ना तूं तुजो हक संविधाना प्रमाणे वोटींग डे दीस तुजो रायट एक्झिक्यूट करता वोट करता तेन्ना तुका एक हक आसता हय म्हज्यान हें करूंक जाता हें सरकार करता तें रायट हें सरकार करता तें रॉंग हें तुका एक अधिकार दिल्लो आसा सो आनी सपोज तुमकां कोण बरो लागना जाल्यार दुसरें ऑप्शन दिल्लें आसा सो हो सगळ्या लोकांक हांव अपील करता आयज यात बडे संख्येन यात आनी आपणाचो वोट मारा
तुमकां कितें दिसता कितली पर्सेंटेज वोटींग जातली नॉर्मल लोकसभेक वोटींग जायना अशें तुमी लोकां कडेन पिल्ल्या प्लीज एक मिनट थोडा बाहेर
म्हाका दिसता दे वील बी अ हाय पर्संटेज ऑफ वोट बिकॉज लोकांक खूब हुस्को जाल्लो आसा सो म्हाका दिसता इट वील क्रॉस 70% फॉर शुअर नाल्यार सदां लोकसभाक मातसो लो आसता but this time there will be much more. We are hoping it will touch 80%. That will be a larger participation of the people in the democratic exercise.
Captain,
what is the reason because voting चड about?
पळय खुबशे इश्यूज आसा. दिस टायम इन गोवा देर इज सो मच एक हें जाल्लो आसा. दिस इज द लास्ट चान्स फॉर अस टू सेव गोवा. जशे इश्यूज आसा, जशे सगळे गोंयभर लोक ट्राय करता गोंया सेव करपाक, आमचें पर्यावरण जावं आमचें अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, खुबशे इश्यूज आसा. म्हाका दिसता लोक सगळे भायर येतले आयज.
Captain, till yesterday, campaigning was being done. You have moved around all of the constituencies. Today, the actual voting day, initial turnout, the number of voters moving out. How do you feel today after you got
Yesterday we did not campaign. Day before, म्हाका दिसता around 1:30, though we had time till 5 o'clock, but at around 1 o'clock we were told by the party leadership, please stop campaigning. And Carl, sadly, we felt very sad that in certain parts, I know in my constituency, New Wade, money was distributed with police escort. I will put a charge on the police and the election commission. सगळे कोण police involved आशिल्ले तांचे पासून म्हजे कडेन proof आसा. I will expose these people. This is murder of democracy. This is why election commission ते निंबू पाणी आनी कितें दिवचे सोदर हांकां धरपाक जाय. This is abuse of the democratic process. This is not good. So influencing voters.
What do you think about doubling, sir?
Doubling, we are definitely going to take a lead. That is a positive sign what we have got from the people.
So money power, muscle power will not work.
See, जितले पैसे ह्या फावट तांणी घाल्या, Congress of course didn't have money, freeze केल्ले सगळे, no problem. But जितले पैसे घाल्यात टू इन्फ्लुएन्स, ते पैसे तर गरीब लोकांक दिल्ले, भुरग्यांची फीस फारीक करपाक, नाल्यार लोकांचे लोन आसा, ट्रक ड्रायव्हर, मोटरसायकल पायलट, टॅक्सी. It would have helped. Influencing voters is not good. This is why election commission, there is a doubt of the people against election commission because they don't crack down. They don't curb such practices.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. And all the very best.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.